Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to find the distance between 2 points using the distance formula. This is one of the most important and basic formulas in coordinate geometry. Here the question is find the distance between 2 points A and B, and the coordinates of the points are given to us. And as let the 2 points be x1, y1 and x2, y2. And the formula is distance equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is our basic distance formula between points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now let's substitute our points A and B in the formula. So we have been given A as 3 and minus 2 and B is given as minus 1 and 7. The most important thing in this formula is to remember to name the points and to always subtract x2 from x1 and y2 from y1. So let's name our points x1, x2 and y1, y2. So let's A be x1, y1 and B be x2, y2. So x1 will be 3 and y1 is negative 2, x2 is negative 1 and y2 is 7. Now you putting the values in the formula, we'll write distance as d equals square root of x2 minus x1. So x2 is minus 1 minus x1 is 3 whole square plus y2 is 7 minus y1 is negative 2 whole square. So distance is negative 1, negative 3 whole square plus 7 minus negative 2 whole square. Let's solve this. So d equals square root of negative 1 minus 3 will be negative 4. So that's negative 4 whole square plus, so there has two negative signs, so this will be plus, so 7 plus 2 whole square. So d will be equal to negative 4 whole square plus 7 plus 2 is 9 whole square. Negative 4 whole square is 16 plus 9 whole square is 81 square root. So d equals 16 plus 81, which equals 97 square root of. This is our final answer. So let's solve one more question and find the distance between points P and Q. P is negative 2 and 3 and Q is 4 and negative 1. So first of all, I'll name the points. P is x1, y1 and Q is x2, y2. So now we are going to directly use the formula, which is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. D equals x2 is 4 minus negative 2 whole square plus y2 is negative 1 minus 3 whole square root. 4 minus minus 2 is 6 whole square plus negative 1 negative 3 will be negative 4 whole square. So d equals 36 plus 16 whole square, or d equals square root of 52, which we can further simplify as 13 times 4 is 52, or we can take 4 out of the square root, d will be 2 square root of 13. So this is our final answer. So this is how we use distance formula and find the distance between 2 points in coordinate geometry. So let us summarize. For using this formula, always remember to label your points correctly, substitute carefully with signs, and square and add correctly. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.